Kum shibentaban snok tilang hakajing rakhi ka National Blood Donation Day. Nakaliang kibor Pulit ka Ribhoi District lengbak Office of Superintendent of Police pat kanong po Police Station kile shimbentaban leit ay ka Snam hanong po Civil Hospital Blood Center. Ya kani kajing shimbenta ka banlit ay Snam Sngewbha lalam khmat do Judge Pal Singh Dhanwa Superintendent of Police ka Ribhoi District u Michael Marak Officer in charge ka nong po Police Station u Rubel Ali Traffic in charge nalor kiwe ki Pulit Officer. Michael Marak haba ajing kren ulapan pawi ka jingkemen pan yo ishim bentah ka ban ay Snam Sngewbha kum kadak ban ay mensia mi kiwe kiriu pat ba ban wan khmat ban ay Sngewbha yala ka Snam na ka bentah ka jing mentoy ha ka ban ay jing em ya kitu kibriu kibran kam Snam kerki ulapan pawru baka jing shim kia jong Superintendent of Police ka Ribhoi District ka long shisha ka badon kam bha bakum ki bor Pulit ru kindan ka bentah ka bakraw ha ka ban ay Snam na ka bentah ka jing don kam ka bokordor ha ka bedai bat ka jing don kam ya ka Snam ula khot la weri ki wei ki briu pat ba ban wan khmat ha ka ban snok tilang ha kum ka di ka jing ay Sngewbha ya ka Snam shu ula ong baki don bun bha ki briu ki bas ir ni sngu thu bakla baka jing ay Snam kan kta e ka kot ka khia jong ki tu ki ba ay Snam henry ka di kam dai ka jing shisha namar ka jing ay Snam hi ka yara pen ban ya ka kot ka khia ya ki tu ki buju ay Snam man ka por bat kam don kanu ka jing kta ya uni ka ba ay Snam.
Yeah, today we came for this blood donation. I really feel good, and it's a very noble cause. Everybody should give blood donation, and I used to give every year, once in a year. Thank you so much. Our Honorable SP sir also came. He have donated the blood. Osi Nongku sir also came to donate blood. Me and so many of our police personnel, all they came for this noble cause. We are very happy that they have given this opportunity to donate blood, and I'll try to give next year also. Okay, thank you.
Good afternoon. Today is the National Blood Donation Day, and then our SP sir, Ribhoi SP sir, has taken the initiative to donate blood today. We have all from our district. We have all come to Civil Hospital Nongpo to donate blood, and SP sir himself also has donated, and other senior officers. And we are here. Still, some of our staff are still inside. They are donating blood, and I would like to request everyone, including our police personnel, that the blood donation is a noble job, noble cause. This is for to save someone's life is a good thing, and everyone should come forward and donate blood. And we need some awareness amongst us also for this blood donation, because there are apprehensions from our from police side and civilians also that donating blood may harm that person or something like that. So there are people who still fear to donate blood. But I urge everyone that we should come forward and donate blood to save a life. Thank you.